Hello, I'm Ann Baker from the Cataloging Department of your Baltimore County Public Library. I'm here today to guide you through some basic navigation of our BCPL database resources. First, what exactly is a database? In a nutshell, it's often an online resource that helps serve a specific purpose. Databases are particularly useful for research and study. So, say you may be familiar with newspapers having their own online archive, like the Baltimore Sun, Washington Post, or the New York Times. Newspapers like these, and most magazines and publications, have their own databases of their articles that you can look through, but oftentimes for a price or a subscription fee. What public libraries do is host these same databases or access to the same material for free. You just need to go through our website and use your library card. If you're a Baltimore County public school student, your student ID also works as a library card. You may be asked for a PIN. Try using the last 4 digits of your phone number, or 4 zeros in a row, 0000. Databases are super helpful for students who may be working on a paper, research project, or a certain subject. In upcoming videos, we'll go into more detail on specific database resources, and I will highlight just a few in a moment. But first, let me show you where to get started. First, log on to our website, BCPL.info. Hover the mouse over our Books and More tab. Then click on Research Databases. This opens our database resources, shown in alphabetical order. Here are a few I'd like to highlight. For students working on papers and projects, especially when your teacher asks you to include reputable or peer-reviewed articles, be sure to check out these database resources. ProQuest Current and Historic Newspapers, Educators Reference Database, and our variety of Gale links. Any of the Gale OneFile links are great for articles, but they also break out by age level, from elementary, middle, to high school, depending on your need. Next up is Mango. Mango is our language learning database. If you want to start a new language, or continue practicing a certain one, or even more than one, Mango has over 70 courses to choose from. Mango also has English learning courses hosted in 20 languages. You can practice as a guest user, or you can create an account with an email and password that will let you track your progress. Mango allows you to listen to conversations in the language of your choice and lets you record yourself so you can practice, hear your own voice, and compare your pronunciation with a native speaker. Next, we have Brainfuse. Brainfuse is our powerhouse tutoring and study help database. Brainfuse hosts live tutors you can chat with immediately in real time between the hours of 2 p.m. and ending just before midnight at 11:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Click on Live Tutoring and select your grade level from the drop-down menu, kindergarten through college, and select your subject. A window will show up where you will be connected with a live tutor who can read your chat and see the screen you share. So have your questions ready. They are there the moment you are connected and will want to start the session once the chat window appears. If you'd like to explore more functions in Brainfuse, like their writing lab or their language lab vocabulary builder, they do ask that you create a username and password to log in. Similar to Mango, this allows you to keep track of your finished work in progress. For adult learners, there is a dedicated section that features GED help, practice for the U.S. citizenship test, resume writing assistance, and more. And if you are looking for additional resources on test prep help, check out our Testing and Education Reference Center. They feature test guides and study help for students in high school through graduate programs and for career seekers, covering subjects ranging from firefighting, nursing, social work, cosmetology, to massage therapy. Thanks for checking out this quick look at getting started with our database resources. Be sure to check out more of our resource videos that we'll be uploading to our BCPL YouTube page. You can also find us on Facebook for library updates and other virtual programs we'll be posting. Hope to see you be connected with us at BCPL.info.